Hello everyone, let's welcome to my channel. See here today we are going to discuss the previous year question of DSSSB PGT mathematics based on set theory. The first question is for the given set A. They have given you one set A which contains 0, singleton 1 and empty set. And we have to identify which one is correct. So we have to check which option is wrong. So the first option saying that the empty set is belongs to A. So the set A contain empty set also, and empty set is the element of A. If empty set is also the element of A, so here the empty is also belongs to A. Always the element is going to belong to the set. Okay, they have given one set and each element 0, singleton 1 and empty all are belong to the set A. Okay, so the first option is correct. One more thing is that 2, if you want to say that subset, if you want to use the subset symbol, we need two set. If I want to say that B is a subset of A, so this B should be a set, should not be an element. So right, so here see the second option, the empty set is a subset of A. We know that every empty set is a pi that is empty is also the element of A. Okay, but it is also called an empty set, and empty set is a subset of every set. Okay, so second option is also correct. The third one, so singleton 1. What the third option says that singleton 1 is all belongs to A. So singleton 1 is an element of the set A. Singleton 1 is all element. We know that element is always belong to that particular set which this belongs to. So here option 3 is also correct. And the fourth option say that 0. What is 0? 0 is an element. So here we have in the set A we have a 0. So 0 is nothing but our element. Okay, if 0 is an element, 0 is belongs to the set A. It is not become a subset. If you want to say that it is a subset, it must be. If you want to say that this is a subset, it must be a set. But here this is element. So option D is wrong. But we have to choose the incorrect one. So option D is the correct one. Let's check the next question. How many number of the second question says that how many number of proper subset can be formed with the set A. So they have given the set A which contain 1, 5, 7 and 9. So how many elements are there? There are 4 elements in the set A. So I have to find out the proper subset. So first of all you should know how to find out the number of subset. So here I have to find out the proper subset, but the number of subset is nothing but is number of the subset of the set A is equal to 2 raised to power n. What is 2 raised to power n? N is nothing but number of element in the set A. I have to find out the number of subset of any given set A. That will be nothing but 2 raised to power n. Here it is 4, n value is 4, so it will become 2 raised to power 4. So answer number of subset will be 16. But here the number of subset is 16, but I have to find out the proper subset, not the subsets. So for the proper subset, the formula is number of proper subset of any particular set is equal to 2 raised to power n minus 1. What is the formula for number of proper subset? 2 raised to power n is minus 1. So there is only one and only one improper subset, that is your empty set. So here it is going to be 16 minus 1. That is nothing but it is going to be a 15. Okay, number of proper subset is going to be 15. So in this question the options are wrong. So the correct answer is 15. Let's move to the next question. The next question says that let A be the set collection of real number. So they have given you the collection of real number, but here I have to collect only those real number which is going to satisfy this condition. What is the condition? The first condition says that x square should be equal to 9 and the 2x should be equal to 4. Is there any real number which is going to satisfy both the condition? Suppose if I substitute x equal to 1, what you will get? 1 equal to 9. which is not equal. So okay, the x value can't be equal to 1, so 1 is not included. The next, if I substitute x equal to 2, if I substitute x equal to 2, what I will get? 4 is equal to 9. Here x square equal to 9 is there. So if I substitute the x equal to 2 in this question, we will get 4 equal to 9. So this is also not equal. So again the 2 is not included. If I substitute x equal to 3, so what I will get? 9 equal to 9. Okay, the first condition is satisfied. What about the second condition? 2 into 3 is it equal to 4? No. 6 is not equal to 4. So you are not going to get any element which is going to satisfy both the condition. There doesn't exist any element. If there is no element which is going to satisfy both the condition, it means A will be going to be empty. No element is there. Okay, so the option A is correct. This one is correct. So let's move to the next question. So next question says that if A equal to collection of natural, they have given you one set A in which we have to collect the natural number, which going to, I have to collect only those natural number which is going to divide 12. Okay, so I have to collect only those natural numbers which is going to divide the A. See here, so in the set A, which type of elements you are going to collect? I am going to collect the natural number which is going to divide. So 1 divides 12, 2 also divides 12, 3 also divides 12, 4 also divides 12, 6 and 12. All are going to divide. In the set A, we have to collect only those natural number which is going to divide 12. So the set A contain the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. How many elements this set contain? It contains the 6 element. But what I have to find out? Number of element in the power set. The set A, the set A they have given to you collection of natural number. I should not collect all the natural number. I have to collect only those natural number which is going to divide 12. So the set A will contain the 6 element. So I have to find number of elements in the power set. Number of element in the power set of A is nothing but the formula is 2 raised to power n. This n is nothing but number of element in the set A. What is the number? Number of element in the power set of A is nothing but P of A is nothing but called a power set of A. In the power set, we have to the number of elements will be 2 raised to power n. So here n, what is the n value? Number of element in the set A. So here it is number of element, n value is 6. So 2 raised to power 6 is 64. So the option D is correct. So here the option D is correct. That is 2, number of element in the power set is 2 raised to power n. The n value is 6, so it will become 64. So let's take the next question. Let X be a universal set. They have given you the one set X which is a universal set, and they have given you the another set which is A, which is a subset of B. It is a subset of X, and there is one more set B which is also a subset of X. I have to check which one option is correct. For that I am going to consider one small example. With the help of example you can conclude which of the following is going to correct. So I am going to take any universal set X, and I am going to take the 2 subset of that, and then I will check which option is going to be correct. The first option says that whether the set A will be equal to your A minus B union A intersection B. A intersection B means just we have to collect the only common element between A and B. So let's check the solution. For the first option, the X is your universal set. You can take any X. You can take any universal set, but I am going to take the only one X set which contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here I am going to take the universal set. Next, in the question they have given you that A is a subset of X and B is also a subset of X. So I have to take the subset of X. So A contain 1, 2, 3. This became a subset of X, and I am going to take the second set B which contain 2, 4, 5 and 6. I am going to take one set B which contain 2, 4, 5 and 6. Both are the subset of your universal set X. Okay, then the first option, what is the first option say? The first option says that the A set, what is your A set? 1 2 3 is always equal to A minus B union A intersection B. Let's check whether it is correct or not. So for what is your A minus B? A minus B. What is A minus B? A minus B means I have to collect the element of A, but that element should not be in B. So क्या करना है यहाँ पे? हमें वो एलिमेंट कलेक्ट करने हैं ए के जिसमें जो एलिमेंट बी में नहीं है. सो बी में 1 is an element of A but 1 is not an element of B. So I am going to collect the 1 in your A minus B set. Similarly, what about 2? 2 is an element of A as well as the 2 is also the element of B. So I am not going to collect the 2 in your A minus B. What about 3? 3 is the element of A but 3 is not an element of B. So I am going to collect your A 3 in your A minus B. So in the A minus B, it contains 1 and 3. What about the next intersection part? So here I got the value of your A minus B, that is a 1 to 1 comma 3. Next union, then I have to do the union. 1 comma 3 is there, then I have to do the union with A intersection B. What is your A intersection B? The common element. Which element is common in both the set? That is 2. So then I have to take the union with. So if I take the union of your 1 comma 3 union 2, what I will get? I will get the 1 2 3, that is nothing but it is equal to the set A. So the first option is also correct, but I have in the question I have to find out the incorrect one. So here your option A is correct with the help of this universal set. So let's check the next option. Your next option says that A intersection B is always equal to X minus of the set A minus B union B minus A. So here already we have got the value. What is your A intersection B? A intersection B is common element, that is your 2. X is your universal set, keep as it is. Then minus A minus B. What is your A minus B? That is your 1 by 1 comma 3. We have solved that. Next I want the B minus A. What is your B minus A? In the B minus A, I have to collect the element of B. In the B minus A, I have to collect the element of B, but that element should not be in A. So let's check the B set. In the B set, I have the 2, but I have the same 2 element is also in your A, so 2 is not included. What about 4? 4 is an element of B, but 4 is not an element of A, so 4 is included in B minus A. 5 and 6. So here I got that B minus A is nothing but 4, 5 and 6. So here I got the value of your A minus B and B minus A. So A minus B is 1 comma 3 and B minus A is 4 5 6. Then I have to do the union. Union of these two set is nothing but collection of all the elements. So this is on set, this is on set. Just you have to write all the element of these two sets. So it will become 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Then with this set, here the x minus 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So here we have to subtract both the set. So it means that I have to take the difference of both the set. Here I have to collect the element of x. What I have to do? I have to collect the element of x, but that element should not be in your this set. Okay. So in what about 1? In the x set we have a 1. In this set also we have a 1. So it is not included. What about 2? 2 is the element of your x, but 2 is not an element of x. So 2 is included. So what about 3? 3, 4, 5, 6, all are the element of this set. So these are not included. So here I got that this option is also correct. Let's take the third option. The third option says that A minus B is always equal to X minus B intersection with X. What is your A minus B? The A minus B is your 1 comma 3 and just we have to consider yourself these set. So what is your X minus B? X minus B means I have to collect the element of X, but that element should not be present in your B. So here in X minus B, I have to collect the element of X, but that should not be in your B. So here 1 and 3, because 2 is also present, 4 is also present, 5 is also present, 6 is also. Just I have to collect the element which are not in B. So it will be 1 comma 3. And next is we have to do the intersection with X. So here we have 1, 3. Here we have a x set which then we have to do the intersection. Intersection means the common part, common element. So common element is 1, 3. Here also your a minus b is 1, 3. The option C is also correct, but here I have to choose the incorrect. So option A, option B and option C all are correct. Similarly, I have to check the fourth one whether it is correct or not. So let's see. A union B. What is your A? That is the 1, 2, 3. What is your B? That is the 4, 5, 6. If I do the union, I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, then I have to check whether they are equal. A minus B union B minus A. What is your A minus B? The A minus B is your 1, 3 and B minus A is 4, 5, 6. B minus A is 4, 5, 6. If I do the union, I will get the 1, 3, 4, 5. Both the sets are not equal. So this option is incorrect. That's because I have to choose the incorrect one. So D option is correct one. Let's check the next problem. Let X be the universal set and A is a subset of X and B is a subset of X. They have a number of elements in the universal set. N of X means N of X is your 20. It means number of element in the set X. Okay, so number of element in the set X is 20 and A is also a subset of your X and the number of element in the set A is 12 and the B is also a subset of your X. The number of element in the B is 9 and the common number, the A is also subset A intersection B. The number of element in the A intersection, the common element between A and B is number of element is 4. Okay, then I have to find out the number of element in the set A minus B. Now they have given you the number of element in A, number of element in the set A, number of element in set B, and they have given you the number of element between A intersection B set. Then I have to find out the number of element in A minus B. So let's find out. To find out the number of elements in A minus B, first of all I have to find out the number of elements in A union B. So the formula is number of element in A union B is nothing but number of element in the A plus number of element in the B set minus number of element in the wait a minute. Here so here number of element in A minus B, number of elements in A minus B can be calculated with the help of number of elements in the set A minus number of element in A intersection B. This is a formula to calculate the number of element in the A minus B. If you want to calculate the number of element in A minus B, just you should know the number of element in A and number of element in A intersection B. Now what is the number of elements in A? Number of elements in set A, that is 12. 12 minus number of element in the A intersection B is 4. So the number of element in A minus B is going to be 8. This is the formula to find out the number of elements in A minus B. So that is number of element in A minus number of element in A intersection B. So let's take the next question. So next question says that if X is a universal set, A is a subset of X, B is a subset of X, number of element in the universal set is 70. Number of element in the set A is 30. Number of element in the B is 45. Number of element in the A intersection B is 10. Then I have to find out the number of element in A intersection, number of element in A complement intersection B complement I have to find out. To find out this, first of all I have to find out the number of element in A union B. So they have already given you the number of element in the set A, number of element in set B, number of element in the A intersection B. So I can easily find out the number of elements in A union B. So the formula to calculate the number of elements in A union B is number of element in A plus number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B. Okay, so here number of element in the set A is 30, number of element in the B set is 45, number of element in the A intersection B is 10. So how much you are going to get? that is 65. Okay, so number of element in A union B is 65. Next, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the number of element in A intersection number of element in A complement intersection B complement. I have to find out. To find out this, let's check it. So here, first of all, I have calculated the number of element in A union B, that will be 65. So to calculate the number of element in A intersection A complement, to calculate the number of element in A complement intersection B complement, that is nothing but it's equal to number of element in the universal set minus number of element in the A union B. So what is the formula to calculate this? Number of element in the universal set minus number of element in A union B. So number of element in the universal set is 70. Okay, and the number of element in A union B is 65. We already got it. So 70 minus 65 is 5. So the correct answer is 5. So here option A, sorry. So here option A is your correct answer. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question is 280 students travel either by train or bus. So it means, so let's denote the train as a T and bus has a B. So number of so 280 students travel either by the train or the bus or the both to get, or so A union B, they have given you, sorry, T union B, that is the T is for train or the bus. The number of students which is travel by both or it's or train or bus, that is your 280 they have given you, and 140 students travel by train. So number of students which is travel by train is, that is 140, and the number of students which is travel by both train and bus, they both means intersection. So number of students which is travel by train as well as a bus, that is going to be 50. So I have to find out the number of students which travel by only bus. Okay, so here the 280 students travel by both bus or train, that is your train union B, number of elements, that is 280, and the number for 140 students travel by train, that is the number of students in the number of students who travel by train is 140, and which is travel by both is, that is 50. Let's check the solution. See here, the number of students which travel by both train and bus, that is 280. Number of students which is travel by train is 140. Now I have to find out the number of students which travel by bus. Okay, so yeah, and we have to use the formula of your union. The A number of students into A union B. A union B is nothing but is equal to number of students, number A plus N plus B minus N minus A intersection B. We have to use the formula of your union. That is, the number of element in A union B is always equal to number of element in the set A plus number of element in set B minus number of element in A intersection B. So substitute the values, that is 280 is equal to 140 number of element in the number of students in the bus B minus number of students who travel by both the bus, that is 50. So 140 minus 50 is going to be 90. So 280 is equal to 90 plus number of students of which is traveled by bus is N of B. So to calculate the N of B, 280 minus 90, that is going to be 190 is the correct answer.